We can go to plugins and add a plugin. Product gallery slider. We can try this plugin. Activate. Okay, we can go to gallery and see there are some options. If you want to enable autoplay, then the gallery image will automatically slide, so you can disable it. Side orientation, horizontal, this is the vertical, we can set it horizontal. Infinity loop, disable, because we don't need infinity loop. Slide effect should be slide, yeah, the free version is okay. Adapt height, okay, we can keep these settings as it is. Navigation and pagination, so there are some different type of paginations. This pagination is good to use, and the pagination color, navigation color should be matched to our website brand color. So I can just copy or copy this color and paste the color code here. This is background and our color will be black, it's okay. A navigation border radius, we can use small 5 pixel border radius. Navigation visibility always, we can set it on hover, so it will looks good then. Okay, and you can save it. And now this is the thumbnail navigation. So thumbnail navigation, I hope we can enable it. It will be like this. Okay, this is for pro version. We can use the free version like this. Yeah, it's okay, no problem. It's showing background color black and hover color, background color should be gray and hover color black. We can keep it as it is. And let's product image zoom. Okay, zoom scale, maybe this is pro version or we text. Okay, this is pro version, we can use free ones. So zoom scale like 2. So there are limitation on the free version, so we can use it. Autoplay video loop. Okay, save it, and now refresh. And it's showing like this. Okay, now it's showing small, we need to make it bigger. Okay, thumbnail navigation. Okay, this navigation are not used here because there are just 4 images. If there are more images, then it will be show the navigation also here. So if we can enable the infinity loop and check how it looks. Okay, we don't need it. Let's fix the width. Advanced. Okay, general settings, thumbnail, item per view 4. Okay, need to set up some basic things for, or we can border it is okay, normal. If we can use three item, and let's check it, refresh. Need to clear the cache. Yeah, it comes now like this. Okay, it's working perfect, and if you can click, it will be show like this perfectly. And gallery width, it's right now 50%, we need to make it 100%, and refresh. Let's clear the cache again. Yeah, see the output. Okay, so I hope need to I just show the this carousel bottom navigation. So I make it 3 column or 3 item for navigation thumbnail, because there are just 4, so it's not comes up this navigation. So if you upload more images get greater than this limitation, then this navigation will comes up here. So I can set up for better look. Parcel cache. So I hope this video will be help you. So if you like this video, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.